Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix automatic repair loop fix in Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot. First method is click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case boot drive is C drive and Windows installed drive is D drive. Type chkdsk space /f space /x space /r space d colon. Second method is click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case boot drive is C drive and Windows installed drive is D drive. Type CD space /Windows /System32 /config. Type MD space backup. Copy *** backup. Type CD space regback. Check the file size. If the file size is more than 0 bytes, you can proceed next steps, otherwise exit and follow other method. Copy *** space ... Third method is click System Restore. If any restore points available, select the one and continue. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.